Hi, this is Kurt Bennick at ForConstructionPros.com. We're here at the 2020 Con Expo show. We're here with Justin Hendrix and we're with Vacuworx. And I understand you got some important updates to the RC series this year.
Absolutely. We always start off, we listen to our customer needs. How can we make their jobs easier, get back up and running if there is some downtime? One of the things we've done this year, our adapter where it hooks to the host machine, we used to have solid collars on there. Now we've installed top caps. It's went from a 30-minute to 60-minute install to a 5 or 6 minute install. Also, we have our flow controls used to be up on top of the stick. We brought them down to the adapter, easily control the speed now without having to climb up there and get a ladder and do that. Another feature that we've done is we've gotten rid of our gearbox. Over the years, we've had a few problems with that, just maintenance and the gears wearing out. Now we have a belt drive system. Now we have no maintenance, no oil changes. Longevity of the belt drive is tenfold of what the gearbox is. It'll outlive all the other components, so that's exciting news for us. And our biggest feature that we brought to the show is our CANBUS system. That's on every automotive out there. It's been for years, but we've brought it into our vacuum lifting technologies. It's allowed us to get rid of all of our relays, all of our fuses. We have virtual circuitry now. If there is a problem, we have diagnostic codes that the customer can call in, or when our mechanics go out in the field, they plug in the tool, and it's like we talked about earlier, it's less downtime and right back to work. It monitors fuel pressure, vacuum pressure, level of fuel, a number of host of things. It's going to be a game changer for less downtime.
Okay, and I understand in terms of serviceability, you've made the unit more serviceable as well.
Absolutely. The serviceable is our adapter serviceable. Our tombstone, which I forgot to tell you about, is that would wear out over time where the bushing was. They'd have to send back in the adapter, which is a 300 or 400 pound piece of steel, send it back, we'd cut it out, weld it back in. Shipping alone, time consuming and expensive. Now we've made that removable. Take out 3 bolts, we'll send you one, you bolt it right back in, and you're up and running in 30 minutes probably, instead of waiting 2 or 3 days to get that turned around.
Well, thanks a lot for giving us updates.
Thanks for your time. Thanks for business. Thank you.